Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel the Driffle subscription. First, go to the Driffle website and sign in using your email and password. Make sure you use the same account that is linked to your subscription. Next, click your profile icon at the top right of the page. Then select Account or Profile Settings. This is where you manage all your personal and subscription information. After that, go to the Driffle Plus or Subscription section. Look for variables like Driffle Plus, Membership, or Subscription. This section shows you current plan, billing details, and renewal date, so you know exactly what you are canceling. Now, click Manage Subscriptions. Here, you will see all options related to your plan, including billing history, plan details, and the option to cancel. Take a moment to review your plan and any upcoming charges before proceeding. Then, click Cancel Subscription or Cancel Membership. You may be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason for canceling. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Finally, verify that your subscription has been cancelled. Check your email for confirmation from Driffle, and also log back into your account to ensure that your subscription status is updated to cancelled. This ensures that no further charges will be applied. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.